So guys, I want to withdraw this money on my account now, 6,008, this particular money now. I want to withdraw it to show you that this platform is paying. You understand? So let me withdraw it. This is my second account. Let me show you. Okay. The amount I want to withdraw, 68. My trade password. So I've put in my password, then my bank account. Okay, then let me request for withdrawal. Okay, let's wait for it to drop on my bank. But before then, let me show you how you can earn on this particular website, because there are many ways you can earn. Once you click the link on my, what's it called, on my description box or comment section, once you have registered, then you come to home. You can join their Telegram group if you want to for more information, because they normally drop information based on activity that is going to happen for the day. You understand? So you can follow now. Then once you click and register, you will see recharge. You can recharge 3,000, 5,000. Minimum of recharge is 3,000, but I will advise anyone that is recharging should recharge 5,000 so that you'll be able to withdraw daily. So all you have to do is to click here and recharge. Once you click there is no 5,000 naira here. You just type 5,000. You understand? Then you click instant recharge. You understand? You click instant recharge. You read what they wrote. You understand? So you copy this thing they gave you here, copy it and make payment. You have only 9 minutes to make the payment. You understand? Once you have done making the payment, you click here, I have make payment. You understand? Then you go back and refresh your dashboard. You will see it on your dashboard. So you go to mine, you will see it here on your recharge. You will see it, the money here. You understand? Then once you see the money there, you go to home, click on this table. This table runs for 31 days before your money drop. Before you buy any other product, you must buy this table. You understand? So you click buy and buy 3,000 naira stable. Then you come to VIP. You scroll up, you see VIP 1, buy 2,000 naira. This one is every day. You'll be getting 1,003 for 3 days. You understand? So for 3 days, so that you'll be able to withdraw. You get? Then these activities comes once in a while. Yes, it often comes, but not that much. This one dropped yesterday and you can see it's already sold out. You understand? So that's why I say you should join the Telegram group, so that you will know when um the next activity is coming up, so that you'll be able to buy and earn also. You understand? Another way to earn is to click on this blog. Then you post your payment, the payment that you made. You see it, you post the payment that you made. That's another way to earn. You see this person, the person made 1,011 just by posting the payment receipt that she received on this Masdar platform. You understand? So that's it. All you have to do is to click this release here. You understand? Click this release, then put the write up you want to put there. Then you click here to upload the picture you want to upload. Then once you upload it, you click publish. They will credit your dashboard. You understand? Another one is after you have done registering. You understand? You click on this theme. You click on this theme here. You click on this theme here. Then invitation reward, click it. They will give you one, sorry, they will give you one, what's it called, they will give you one spin so that you can spin. See, the first day that I spin this thing, I got 10,000 naira. Yes, I got 10,000 naira from this particular platform. So you have to spin so that you be able to get money. You understand? They'll give you one spin, and for every invite that you invited, that valid invite, every person that you invited and buy any any product, you will get one spin. You understand? So that's basically how to earn on this platform. You get? So it's very simple. They are paying and still paying and will continue to pay. I know how much I've earned on my first account, just that I want to withdraw from here to show you that it is still paying. You understand? The money have landed on my bank account. They removed 5% of whatever that I withdrawed. You understand? That's why you are seeing 460 instead of 68. You understand? So that's to show you that this platform is actually paying. I don't know what you're still waiting for. You can click the link to join now, subscribe, like and share to my channel, and also join my community group in case if you have any question to ask. You understand? So that's it.